What's the meaning of beguine? Beguine. Beguine.
Beguine. Beguine. The word beguine has a few different meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. In some cases, it refers to a type of slow and romantic dance that originated in the Caribbean. In other contexts, it can refer to a member of an informal religious order of women who lived in the Low Countries during the Middle Ages. These women were not formally recognized by the church, but they lived together in communities and devoted themselves to prayer and good works. The term beguine can also be used more broadly to refer to a woman who is flirtatious or seductive in her behavior.